I think it's chocolate.
I know which one is number 11, 10, 9, 8.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's the tricky one. The last one.
Probably the number 10.
And one of them is Cyril. It's not me.
Probably number 10 is Joshua. Or number 9.
No, the middle one.
Ano na, yari na? Hindi. Yan pa yari. O sige, ito yung game.
7?
Mananalo kaya ito?
Ewan.
Palagay ko, hindi.
Alam mo kung sino, no?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Basta ang alam ko,
8, 9, 10.
basta ito ang alam ko, unang-una yan, unang-una.
Ano lang naiwan? 11.
Hey, look, it's Patrick!
11. What? Keep mo yung pen kasi may susunod pa. Ano ba sinulat dito? 11 yung dulo.
11 naman talaga eh.
Baka na yung pen.
Oy, Philip! Dito mo, shit, ha? This is not a bed. Why are you sleeping? It's embarrassing.
It's yours.
Puro siyang bura. Parang mag-important siya.
Ano ka ni price?
Pota. Surprise.
Ano yung kiss?
Judge, yeah.
The price is return ticket to Blacktown.
Animal, maligo. Kita mo ang makakain.
Okay, Jonathan. Kasi si Jonathan, sabi na number 1 yun yan. Kaya hospital.
Kaya ako, balo mo, anya ikit.
Number 8.
Anya balukin kay maka-display ka relate oh.
Tama. Ito, 4. Number 10, correct yan.
Ay, oh, number 8.
Oh, dalawa yung
Cheating for the judges. Cheating for the judges.
That's
the
9.
number 8. You said number 8.
No, that's 8. Oh, that's not 9.
You said number 8 before.
No, that's not 9. That's not 9.
Hindi naman sa kanya yan.
Oh, I don't know. Cheating in the Philippines again, huh?
Teka, I have to hurry up.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 11.